10 signs of how to know a woman that deeply loves you with example. 1. She prioritizes you. A woman who loves you will make time for you, even when she's busy. Example, she reschedules her plans to help you when you're sick or stressed. 2. She supports your dreams. She encourages you to pursue your goals and believes in your potential. Example, if you want to start a business, she helps you research and motivates you when you feel like giving up. 3. She listens with genuine interest. She values what you say and remembers small details. Example, you once mentioned your favorite childhood snack, and she surprises you with it weeks later. 4. She stands by you in tough times. True love is proven when things get hard, and she doesn't run away. Example, if you lose your job, instead of criticizing you, she reassures you and helps you strategize for a comeback. 5. She expresses affection naturally. She enjoys physical touch, sweet words, and thoughtful gestures. Example, she randomly holds your hand, hugs you for no reason, or texts just to say she misses you. 6. She defends you and stands up for you. If someone disrespects you, she doesn't stay silent. Example, when a friend makes a rude joke about you, she firmly tells them it's not funny. 7. She wants to be a part of your life. She's interested in your family, friends, and the things you care about. Example, even if she doesn't like football, she watches a match with you just to share your excitement. 8. She makes sacrifices for you. Love is shown in what someone is willing to give up for you. Example, she skips a night out with friends because she knows you need someone to talk to. 9. She talks about the future with you in it. She includes you in her long-term plans. Example, she says things like, when we have kids, or our dream home should have a big kitchen. 10. She loves you for who you are, not what you have. She doesn't care about money, status, or looks, she loves your soul. Example, even when you have nothing, she stays and reminds you that your worth isn't measured by material things. If a woman shows these signs, she truly loves you. Hope you deeply enjoy this moment. Please, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.